figure with lots of stuff? Good job, Emily. Good girl. Good girl. Where are you going to go next? There's lots of stuff. It's almost too much stuff. You're not sure what to do, huh?
Can't make it for mine.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the rocking horse? Here. Do you want to go on this? Let's put it down. Let's put it down here. Want to go on the rocking horse? Oh, that's a tiger. Yeah, it's a big cat.
What's his name?
Nathan.
Nathan.
And what's her name?
Emily.
Emily.
Who give you cheese? Ginny, who give you cheese, Ginny? Yo le di uno, pues ya se lo comió. Ginny, when you got cheese? ¿Dónde? Who gave it to you?
Qué chula.
Where did you get it? Tenías que madrugaste a mí con el snack.
Look at that hair. I love that hair.
Upsi. Vamos a la mesa, mi amor. Vamos a suponer que debe estar comiendo. Vamos a la mesa. Allá está tu snack.
Uh-oh, she said.
That's
Are you
nice.
trying to help him? You're a good share, huh? You're good at sharing? She's trying to help
Nathan,
him.
look, Emily's got something for you.
Oh, thank you. Thank
Very
you.
good. Thank you, Emily.
Boat. Boat.
Go move back where you got it.
Do you want to go try a different room? There's a police station over there. Come on. Come over here, Emily.